that we will not tolerate this sort of behavior against our citizens. So we are hereby announcing the termination of all the people in the OTS who were involved in this incident. Tatlo. Three personnel. Hindi po kami nagdadalawa. We are not fooling around here. Hindi kami nagloloko dito. Kung akala nyo nagloloko kami, nagkakamali kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa lang namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigations begin. But now we are terminating them already today. I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today. So again, please, sa lahat ng ating mga kasama sa DOTR family, because we are a family of people who are here to serve our citizens. Ako po, hinihingi ko na ang pandinig ninyo. Kung hindi nyo pa kami naririnig loud and clear. We will not stand for any abuse. Any abuse will be met with the same result and the same swift action from us, as mandated and as ordered to us by the President himself. We will not allow this to happen. Okay? Apart from that, I've also asked Undersecretary si Jonko, our head of OTS, General Bisnar, and our GM, Eric Hines, to review the procedures and protocols there again, no, sa screening ng security sa airport. Ako po, I have been a passenger at this airport. Awa ng Diyos, it has never happened to me, no, and my family. Pero kahit ako yan, yung nangyari kay Kai at kay Ma'am Ruth, talaga matotrauma ako dyan. Can you imagine? Apparently, and of course, this is all subject to final investigation, nakadaan na pala sila, meaning they were already cleared. And apparently, they were rushing to meet to their gate para hindi sila mag-late sa flight. Alam natin lahat, as passengers, how stressful that is. Di ba? Nakaka-stress yun eh. Lalo na si Mami Ruth, medyo may edad na. Hindi naman niya makakatakbo. Di ba? Nakadaan na sila, binalikan pa sila. Tinatanong ko nga si General Bisnar, di ba mali yun? Hindi, tama yun ah. Once you are screened and cleared by the screener, you're done. Kaya nga siniscreen eh. Hindi ka pwede yung, ay, hinabol ka, tapos biglang haharasin ka. Hindi pwede yun. Doon pa lang mali na eh. Doon pa lang, mali. Okay, so, hindi natin papalampasin ito. And